Wow. I've never seen them fight like that before. Oh man, there's two of them up here. Come on, back off just a little. Okay. If I can get them. I don't reckon he's come up on the side nowhere there trying to get him something to eat, ain't he? In the morning doves, they kinda don't want him to eat. Back off just a little bit here on the... Maybe... I think he's still in the area. I think that was him flying around a while ago. I don't know. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay. Well, look here who we got here. And what, is this the house sparrow or... Not sure which kind this is. Somebody flying around wanting to get their fair share, eh? Okay. Anybody around in the bottom down here? The ground part? No? Okay. A lot of wet weather here. This is unusual here, both mourning doves eating together like this. And this is you can imagine they eat a lot too. Well, that one got up in the little tiny container there of the bird seed. He's not too scared. Okay, we got one here and one there. The same kind there. What do you know? Two of that kind and two of this kind. That's a very unusual. Uh-oh. One wanted to fly up there. I think he's on the line somewhere. He's on this line, maybe. Look around a little bit. I think he was. Something shaking the line a little bit, I believe. Or was. Okay. Go back over here and look for a little bit more, and we're going to call it quits on this, okay? Alright. They're pretty, ain't they? Okay. Oh man, look here. We got the cardinal here. Yeah, beautiful red with some black in the wings and black on the face. It's certainly marvelous to look at. Okay. Back up here to the mourning doves. The red cardinal. I don't know which one to look at. Here. They're both gonna go back and forth, I guess. Look at them a little bit, eating. Well, you know they hold a lot too. Okay.